Okay, review lang natin yung direction of the slope of a line. So, if the given line is a horizontal line, the slope is 0. The given is a vertical line, the slope is infinite. And then, if the line is upward to the right, the slope is positive. Then, if upward to the left naman, the slope is negative. Then, if given is the parallel lines, the slope of the two lines are equal. And then, if the given is a perpendicular line, so the measure of the slope of the second line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the first line, or the slope of the first line. So now, the inclination of a line, so the angle of inclination of a straight line is the line that makes the x-axis with the angle measured counterclockwise. So, if a line has a slope m and the angle of inclination is theta, then tan theta is equal to the slope. So, ang angle of inclination na tinutukoy ay yung angle na na-form from x-axis ba counterclockwise kayo. Yan. So, this is the theta. So, this is the angle of inclination. Another. So, if the given line is this one, and then pa-left naman. So, the angle of inclination, again, forms from the x-axis pa counterclockwise. So, ito yung angle of inclination natin. Then, the slope of the line is equal to the tan theta, or the angle of inclination. So, last time I have discussed, if 2 points are given, so, makukuha natin yung slope of a line gamit yung formula na rise over run. So, m, gagamitin nyo lang yung formula na m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, if the 2 points given are 3, 8, and then 5, 6, slope of a line will be, so ang y sub 2 natin ay negative 6 minus 8 over 5 minus 3. So that is equal to negative 14 over 5 minus 3 is 2. Then, final answer, the slope of a line is negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. So, the slope of the line is negative 7. Now, paano kapag hindi given ang 2 points? Ang given ay inclination of the line. So, find the slopes of the line with the given angle of inclination. So, if the rational, express your answers in 3 decimal places. So, 3 decimal places yung gagamitin natin for the final answer kapag rational yung sagot. So, if inclination of a line ang given to get the slope, gagamitin lang natin yung m is equal to tan theta. So, itong theta is the angle of inclination. So, for A, so m is equal to tan 45 degrees. So, tan 45 degrees, kunin nyo lang yung calculator nyo. You can use your calculator. So, just press tan and then 45. So, tan 45 is equal to 1. So, if the inclination of a line is 45, the slope of a line is equal to 1. So, for letter B, if the inclination of a line is 30, degrees. So what is the slope of a line? So m is equal to, again, tan theta. M is equal to tan 30 degrees. So again, kunin nyo lang yung calculator nyo. Just press tan and then 30. So, ang sagot doon is 1 over square root of 3, or since ito ay irrational, kunin lang natin yung 3 decimal places. We have 0.577. Okay, so find the angle of inclination. So if the straight line whose slope, or find the angle of inclination of the straight line whose slope is, first is -3. So for this, gagamitin pa rin natin is yung tan theta is equal to m, or pwede din naman yung magkabaliktad. So m is equal to tan theta. So for letter A, so the slope of a line is -3. Okay, so to get the inclination of a line, so we have tan theta is equal to, so ang papalitan natin dito is yung m. And then we have inverse tan, then square root of 3, just get your calculator, press shift, and then tangent para lumabas yung inverse tan. And then square root of 3. So, lumabas doon ay 60 degrees. So, the inclination of a line whose slope is negative, or square root of 3, is 60 degrees. For B, ang slope niya ay 3/4. So, find the inclination of a line. So, we have tan theta is equal to 3/4. Then, theta is equal to inverse tan. Then, 3/4. Again, use your calculator. Press shift. Then, tan. 3/4. Kunin lang natin yung nearest unit niya. So, 36.870 degrees yan. Or, pwede din naman natin gawing 37 degrees. Yung nearest unit yung kunin natin. So, the inclination of a line whose slope is 3/4 is 37 degrees.